Hi everyone, today I'm going to be sharing with you a shoebox for a boy 2 to 4, and the theme is Berry Big Bear Box. Now a couple years ago I did a Pooh Bear themed shoebox with a large Pooh in a standard size 6-quart bin. So I'm doing something similar to that this year with a big bear in a 6-quart standard bin, except this bear is from the Great Wolf Lodge. Now, we were given a 3-day vacation to Great Wolf Lodge this past spring, so we're very thankful for it, and this is just a little way that I can give back, because with our vacation we had a paw pass included, and we were given the chance to get choose a free stuffed animal from the Great Wolf Lodge Bear Shop. So I knew when I picked mine out I was going to donate it to my shoebox. So at the very top he has a little tote bag that he can color, little bear on an airplane, and then a different picture on the back that he can also color. So I'm just going to kind of show you that you can pack a very large stuffed animal if you want to in a standard size bin. So here he is. He's very full of fluff, just like my Pooh Bear from a couple years ago. I hope this little boy enjoys this. All right, so I'm gonna have to prop him up. I'm gonna use this picture. My sister-in-law gifted me this verse picture that she made last year, and she has an Instagram page that I'll have linked below if you are interested. She does Instagram pages where she does verses, and she creates beautiful backgrounds for the verses just to encourage you. And her name is The Encouraging Mama. So I'll have her Instagram page linked below if you are interested. So I'll just put him right there. That way you can see him. I can't even quite get him in the frame. All right, so after I pulled him out, I was able to kind of work these items around him. He has a car that I picked up at a thrift store. I think it was $1, and it's Melissa and Doug. It's great quality, looks brand new, and it's got a little bear riding a car. He has a soap saver. Inside he's got a little teddy bear washcloth with some hotel soap that I picked up for free. I gave him this pencil tin to kind of match his little bear, or not little bear, big bear. And he has a little bear in here though that he can play with, little toy bear, along with a moose. And then some package of crayons, eraser, a couple of pipsqueak markers that he can use to color his tote, a clip pen in an animal print, and then he has some pre-sharpened pencils, and some of them have the animal print as well. And then here is his sharpener. It's a car to kind of go with his other little wooden car here. It's dual-sided, very cute. He has a pair of size 4 underwear. A little whistle, a fun whistle. And then 3 of these jumbo crayons. Now he has a fun toy that I also picked up at the Great Wolf Lodge gift shop. Very unique. They had a section in the back of the store where they had toys marked half off. So I picked this up for this little boy as well. Again, just a little way of giving back from the vacation that we were given. So I'll just put this down here, and it's a little teddy bear. And when you wind him up, his little face moves back and forth. So I'll just show you here. So there you go. That's kind of what it does. I hope he enjoys that little toy, and of course he can play with his little animal friends with it. He has a notebook with a marker just to use up that space. A little sticker surprise in his notebook. His toothbrush. And then I gave him a pair of shorts. I know my son goes through bottoms a lot quicker than he does t-shirts. And it's a 4-5. I will take the tag off, but it has a nice drawstring waist to tighten. And then a sticker scene. And as you can see, there's a cute little bear there, and he can use both sides of the sticker scene. It's supposed to be reusable, and I picked this up many years ago at Michael's. And then the last thing is this little coloring book that has teddy bears on it. There's actually a lot of pages in there, and inside there were some little stickers. There's a Santa bear there. So he's got a little coloring book. So that's what I was able to do with a very large stuffed animal that I hope he treasures. He could even use it as a pillow to make sleeping more comfortable. And so that's how I did a standard size shoebox with a very large stuffed animal. So I hope you enjoyed this and learned a little something, or at least were encouraged to pack more boxes. And thank you so much for watching, and I will have another unboxing soon. Take care.